How to buy crypto on Zengo Wallet. If you want to buy crypto on Zengo Wallet, it is quite simple to do so. All you have to do is launch the Zengo application and then make sure that you sign into your wallet or account. Now if you want to buy a crypto, over here you can see a couple of options. Just go to the option that says buy. Now once you tap on buy, select the crypto you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy Bitcoin, I will select that. It will ask me to create my recovery kit. So if you haven't done so, tap the continue button right there and make sure to go ahead and then select your recovery kit in this case. So let me go ahead and then allow a couple of access right here. Now once I've done that, I will also allow these permissions and tap the continue button. Now I can simply go ahead and select it. Then after that, what I can do is I'll be able to enter the amount of Bitcoin that I want to buy. Then once I've went ahead and then basically entered the amount and confirm the payment method, I will be able to buy crypto on Zengo Wallet. That's all it takes for me to buy crypto on Zengo Wallet. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.